So this is an example, and you can actually see we start to get a rough area. This is a frying pan die casting, and we start to get rough areas, and we start to get sinks in those areas. And the operators learn they just need to change the spray to eliminate those problems. Here's another example of a shrink, of a sink. Shrink is behind that, but we've got this surface here, and this is actually sunken down into the die casting. So this is the deepest portion, and we just get a sink that forms on the surface of the casting. So we've covered blisters, which is nothing more than gas. We've just covered sinks, which is nothing more than shrink porosity close to the surface of the die casting.
To purchase access to this course, visit the NADCA Marketplace at www.diecasting.org/store. Purchasing a course through the online education system grants you 1 year of access to the recording, presentation, support material, and test when applicable. NADCA video news and information is brought to you by the following sponsors.